Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is the November the 19th and we are looking at the Russell 2000 futures 60 minutes time frame here as the chart of the day. So we can see we are currently selling off in the form of an ABC, which is a zigzag pattern here. The A is in a 5 waves, like 3, 4, 5 can be seen here, and then the C leg is in progress now, which is in another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we already have 1, 2, 3, 4 fully developed, and then most likely we can still see one more push on the downside to finish a 5 waves. Now a couple of interesting things here. The 3 for now is smaller than the 1, which basically means that the 5 should be smaller than the 3, so that it does not violate the rule that wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. So this needs to be shorter than this, technically speaking, right? So if you do the projection, so we're going to be looking for less than 2283, which is the 100%, less than 2283 to finish this with 5. Now if I zoom out and focus on the AP here, now you can see where the AP is in the 4 hour is right here. This is the A and this is the P, right? So this is a zigzag pattern basically, right? Now I zoom out even more. Now you can see that this is the all-time high in the Russell. So we are in fact still pretty much in a bullish market, because we continue to make a higher high, which is made all-time high not too long ago in the month of October, late October, right? So again, because of that, no reasons to trying to pick the top and trying to predict a collapse or things like that. So we're gonna just follow a simple 3, 7, 11 swing. So we have this AP, which is, this is a lower low, right? AP and then another low, lower low. So in terms of projecting where the potential target is, very simple. If you do this AP 100%, so then the potential target is this one, 2307 to 2196, and then you combine this with the idea that if this is really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the 5 should not be actually breaking below 2283. Otherwise, you know, this is going to, I mean, you can always change the count. You can change WX, and then this is W, and then XY. So I think I wouldn't really use the 2283 as an absolute sort of black and white kind of level, right? I can adjust this one if I need to. So instead of ABC, you know, I can force it to be WX here, and then you can technically get something like this and then go down again like this. So this is another like WXY. So I think this is the more important level that I'm looking at, between 2307 2196. Not necessarily it must stay above 2283. That one is valid if this is really a 5 waves, but again, like I said, we can always adjust if needed. So I would say this is really the key level, 2196, 2307, and as long as we don't break below 2196, then we should be looking for at minimum a 3-ways rally from here, right? At minimum 3-ways rally from here. If we continue to go down all the way to 2196, then the entire thing can become a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But for now, again, if you are forecasting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're expecting a much bigger pullback, which is, again, you have to take it step by step. No reasons to pick major top or anything like that. So we'll see how it reacts from this area. Okay, well, in the shorter cycle, since we have not reached the minimum 2307 here, then we should be looking for further downside still, and looking for rally to fail for further downside into this area, 2307 2196. Now in terms of very short term though, like I said, it does not necessarily have to do it exactly like this, right? It can always, you know, this could become, it can become many things. It can become a flat here, for example, or it could become like I said before, this is ABC ending W and then X and then Y leg. So it's not necessarily that this little single swing has to happen exactly like it is, but it's more towards, oh, we should be looking for more downside, and any rally, still shorter cycle, rally from the low will fail in 3711, right? So even if we do get a bigger rally like this, for example, then the rally will fail in 3 waves for another leg down at the 100% extension, because it's not yet reaching the minimum Y equal W, which is 2307. Okay, so rally should fail from the low is here right now in 3711, as long as this pivot is holding for another leg down reaching 2307 minimum. Okay, and then once we reach here, we should be getting, either we go to new high from here, or we do a bigger 3 waves and then fail and go down again. But most likely we're going to get reaction first. Alright guys, so that's the update, and as always, if you want to get more updates on the Russell or any other indices, stocks, Forex, commodities and so on, feel free to check our service. We also have a cryptocurrency as well. Only 99 cents if you are new members. You can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.